Hello friends, this is Deepak from TechPax Research and Innovation Services. Today I am here to demonstrate you one of the topic, that is image fusion. What exactly the image fusion is? Image fusion is basically combining two or more images to get the overall more information with respect to the individual images, right? The application area that we are covering today is basically the biomedical images. So what we are doing, we are fusing the MRI and the PET images of the brain to get the one single image to save the storage, as well as to get the additional information from a single image only instead of analyzing the multiple images, right? So let's have a look what exactly we have done. I just want to tell you firstly that what we have implemented in this is the algorithm that we have designed in this is basically the Hilbert transformation and PCA based hybrid model. Along with that, not only the technique is being focused, we have done the pre-processing by applying the advanced histogram equalization technique. For getting the details of the histogram equalization technique that which we have followed, you can contact us even and go for the details also. So the image enhancement technique is pre-processing the image so that the area and the sections of the image, those which are to be fused, can be firstly refined, and later Hilbert transformation is being applied, and then the fusion is being done. So the process is not that easy. So the whole process is done by considering the multiple factors and the multiple parameters, so that and the fused image which will be achieved at the end will have the more information, right? So this is basically the main objective of this particular research topic. So image fusion can be implemented for number of applications. So we are covering the medical field only, right? So for example, I'm having the MRI and the PET image for the same. The very first thing is the MRI image. I'm selecting the one, even it is showing me the pre-processed image and the original image. So I will show you the difference once it is get run. You can see the fusion of the two is being processed, and it is also compared with the previous technologies, so that we can prove that our technique is much better enough with respect to the traditional one, right? So you can see the difference, that this was the original image that we were processing, and this is the pre-processed image on which the histogram equalization technique, not the basic even, that is also advanced one. So you can see the difference between the two. The edges are more refined, it is bit brighter. So similarly it is done for the PET image also. So you can see the difference also, right? So later fusion is being done, which have given us this particular image, which is the combination of both. Then multiple factors have been analyzed to prove that our technique is much better. Even these results are being shown in the below table form, so that easily the results can be noted and can be used for the research paper writing or for the report analysis, right? So this is the technology that we have implemented, and for more details you can contact us directly, or even you can visit us at www.techpex.com. I hope you people like this video. Stay tuned to our channel to get the recent research topics for MTech and the PhD. Thank you.